how's it going? It's Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. I am in a very messy studio behind me, so forgive me for that. I am in the process of trying to clean out a closet that's in here and make room for all of the stuff that I keep buying at Dollar Tree. And I went today and I picked up quite a few things. And I thought I would share them with you here today. Before I get into that, though, I do, of course, want to say thank you to my OGs. You guys are my long-term subscribers, my long-term friends. I appreciate you guys so much for being here and love, obviously, working with you guys and getting to know you and your families and everything. If you are brand new to the channel, welcome. Hopefully, you will stick around and become a subscriber. If you are brand new because maybe YouTube just recommended this video, I hope you'll stick around and consider becoming a subscriber as well. So thank you, YouTube, for referring you. Let's just jump into it because it's a lot of different stuff. It's some utility stuff. I call it utility. It's like stuff to stock the craft room with. It is some new stuff that I've not seen before. It is some Valentine stuff. It's a little bit of everything. And I think there's going to be some great projects coming out from it. So the first thing I grabbed, there's Otis squeaking in the background. This home sign. I really liked this a lot. I steered away from it a couple different times when I saw it. And I think because I didn't really care for the heart that's at the end. But I think I'm going to take my saw, my little it's a skill saw or jigsaw, I don't know what it is. It's a saw that's got the little stick on it that's electric. And I am going to cut the heart off and try and use this. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it works out. Let's see what else I have. I'm just digging right through the bags. Grabbed one of these wood hearts. I have a DIY project in mind for this that is not necessarily Valentine's Day, but could definitely work for that. I'm going to try and grab stuff seasonally. I'm getting some ribbon because I want to do a different Valentine's wreath. And they had that red and white striped, and then they had the red mesh. There's a lot of different ones in here. I'll come back to this bag. And then, actually, you know what, we'll just go. It's going to be very mishmashed here. This I thought was super cool. It's a grill scrubber. And if you've got a grill, like I do, this is perfect. But I thought that this could even be used inside. Why couldn't you use it inside? It's got this kind of built-in handle to it, which I think is fantastic. And then this Brillo pad is, or this, I guess it's like a Brillo pad thing. This Scrubby thing is really solid. And I think that's going to be amazing. I kind of wish I would have grabbed two of them now that I see it. They had these Sure Scent air fresheners, which I think are always good to have around. So I grabbed that. And that's that linen scent, which I actually really like. This was super cool, and it was the only one that I could find. So I guess I got the last one. Check out that little work light. Like, that is super cool. And I like to keep these around, like, just inside my basement because even though my basement has electricity, but, you know, in case of a power outage, this is small enough that you could keep it in a drawer, like in an end table or something. I think that this could be really cool to have on hand. And then this was just silly and fun. It's a fly swatter, but look, it extends out. I thought it was fun. And maybe I can get Otis with it or something. I don't know. But not that I would ever hit him, but you know what I mean. And then the other thing I found, I'm working on a DIY project right now with some similar kind of style beads. And they had this strand, which was really thick. I had not seen one like this. And it's kind of like, it's called Pearl Wrap. And they had it in gold, they had it in silver. I had not seen any this wide before. I'd seen kind of the double strips, but I thought that was cool. This bag we will get to. I actually still have some stuff on the desk here. Work lights. They had tons of different work lights for whatever reason. And so this is a work light. But what I thought was super cool about this one is that it has a magnet built into it. So think about how easy that could be. Like, keep it on the refrigerator. In the event of a power outage, you know where the light is because it's going to be magnetized. I have a pegboard in this mess back here that I haven't hung on the walls yet, but that could also be something that sticks right to the pegboard because my pegboard is metal. So again, very, very cool with that. And then they had these great letters. Oh, I just remembered I have 2 other bags of stuff that I don't know where I put it. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get the other bags. Okay. I am back. I had realized that I had 2 other bags in the car still. So anyway, I'm back. Let's see. Why don't I just go through what's on the desk here? These mini terracotta pots, they have these. I actually have a Christmas upcycle. It's a Christmas item that I am turning into a spring item, and I'm going to be using these to do it. And I actually bought 3 packages of these. I'm glad I bought 3 packages because I dropped one, so that means it's probably broken. These are always good to get at Dollar Tree very early in the season before they all get broken. So, mental note, saw this cute little picture frame. I have a DIY idea for that. I bought 2 of these. I had never seen these before at my Dollar Trees, but these Crafter Square cubes. And I've seen lots of people find them, but I had never found them. And I finally found them. And they're 2 1/4 inch square. And they're just great to have in the stash. So those, hopefully some DIYs will come out of that. They have all of these words, like these laser cut craft words that Crafter Square is selling now. And I'm working on a vision board for 2021. And I thought some of these would be really cool on there. And it looks like there's 3 or 4 in a package. Looks like it's 4. And, excuse me. And this word says inspire. This word says forever. And this word says amazing. And again, thought that these were super cute. That's Otis making noise in the background. And then I grabbed one of these crosses. I think that this is great for Easter coming up. I have an Easter DIY project idea. I was able to find a couple more of these, the squares and the circles. So that is coming up for a DIY. I shared these on Instagram the other day, but I have this little hanging sign that says, "This is us." I might like block out the us and write, "This is me." And then this one says, "Bless our home," which I thought was super cute too. Again, super easy, very fun. I used some of the 4th of July pennants for a Christmas DIY, and they turned out really fun. They also had these Lasercut Stars, which I thought were super, super cool. And I really liked these a lot. I think that they could be fun for knobs or something. I don't know. I'm formulating plans. All right, let's get into the bag here. I told you about these that I purchased, and then more the round ones as well. So this store that I went to, they had literally just had their inventory. So everything from their back room was out on the floor. So they were well stocked, and I was happy to take advantage of it. The other thing, of course, my receipt. I'm going to scan this into Fetch Rewards. If you guys are not familiar with Fetch Rewards, I have a link below with a referral code. Every time you scan a receipt from any retail store, you get points, and you can turn those points into online gift cards from stores like Amazon and movie theaters and restaurants. You can get magazine subscriptions. So definitely check out Fetch Rewards. It doesn't cost you anything. You're literally taking a picture of your receipt, scanning it up there, and when you reach a certain number of points, you can redeem them for all kinds of cool stuff, including like even sweepstakes entries for like $1,000 gift cards and stuff. So definitely look into Fetch Rewards if you haven't already. They had this oversized heart wreath form. I have the smaller one, but I had not seen this larger one. This is a 16 inch, and that's what inspired me to do a wreath with some of that mesh ribbon. Speaking of mesh ribbon, they also had this one that had those little white flecks in it, which I thought was really pretty. And then I grabbed just a red and gold bundle, and then another red and white bundle. Let's see, I'm trying to pick these out. These I thought were super cool. They're containers, and they're Valentines containers, but they're good solid plastic, and they have a screw lid on them. And I didn't buy these to upcycle them or to DIY these. I bought these for storage, for the craft room, for beads, and for anything small like that. Paper clips and whatnot. It's going to be great for that. So definitely got that. This was super cute. If you saw the cactus, it's like a pen holder, I believe, that Dollar Tree had a while ago. They now have this little guy, and I believe it's like a jewelry tree because you can't, I don't know if you can see him or not. Yeah, there you go. See those little hooks that it has on there? I thought it'd be cute for jewelry. And I'm gonna probably spray paint it, and I may even keep that color because it would go with my room. So who knows, who knows, who knows. Some Easter stuff is starting to come out already. And last year I did not get in on these little carrots, and I want to for sure this year. So I was able to grab 3 packages of those. I'm telling you, anytime you see anything at Dollar Tree, get it when you're there. Like, go ahead and get it because it's not going to be there when you go back. I've learned that lesson. Oh, another set of those laser words. This one says imagine. I grabbed 2 of these little succulents because I have a craft DIY idea coming up with this home sign. And I have a couple of these, but I don't think I have one that says home. So that's why I got that. I always buy batteries when I'm at Dollar Tree, especially this like 6 to 8 pack that you can get. So I always buy the AA's and the AAA's. I need a Scrubby for my kitchen. This one is cool because you can put the detergent and stuff in there. That one is a good one. I like that. And you can buy the replacement heads for it too, which I do like a lot. And then the last 2 things, another work light. This is like a little lantern that I thought was super cool. And I have no idea what I'm going to do with it because I have, as you saw, 2 other work lights. But blue's my favorite color too, so who knows? You know, I think it's always good to have this kind of stuff around, especially in Atlanta where I live, because we've got a lot of ice and stuff that happens in the winter, and there's a lot of power outages sometimes. Not fun. And then a succulent, this is gonna kind of go with those other succulents for a DIY idea that I have. Check that out. I just put that down and I put it in there just to get it out of the way, but then it's like, ding, this could be a DIY idea. You could fill that little sucker up with rocks and put the succulent in it and paint this a fun color, and that could be a very cool DIY in itself. Who knows? All right, that is my haul. I'm excited. I spent about $55. I grabbed a few little food related things, some little snacks, and a couple drinks, and that's it. We've got a great mystery box challenge coming up that I'm involved with a bunch of very, very talented ladies. It's going to be dropping on Wednesday of this week, Wednesday the 13th, I think is the date, January 13th. And then I've got some DIY projects that I'm finishing up today that hopefully can be launched for you guys maybe tomorrow, or maybe after the mystery box. Anyway, there's stuff coming up. So stay tuned and thanks for being here. All right. Bye, everybody.